unbelievable who we have right here with us.
I know. We've got Maverick and the Iceman with us. Yeah. I mean, this is the most amazing thing. So you guys have been doing this for how long now?
The Air Show.
Yeah.
We've been doing this for 6 years right now. And we make sure, we bring back that loving feeling. And it's a pleasure to be here in the birthplace of aviation at the Dayton CenterPoint Energy, presented by Kroger. And let me tell you something, this weather is perfect to play volleyball, right? Ice?
We call this a target-rich environment.
It will be.
Yeah.
Make sure to show up.
He wants to be a blimp pilot. Yes, he just discovered blimps today, and he's on the track to be a blimp pilot now.
Now watch the difference in speed. Oh yeah, Tom is bringing the heat. Look at They always wanted to fly the mini jet, so now he's doing it in this one.
There's always great crowds. These are veteran-friendly crowds that come to the air shows. So we love doing it. This is the first time we've been here, and I'm really looking forward to it.
We're out here for my birthday. I've always loved aviation. She's actually flown a plane a couple times. So it's just something that we really enjoy doing.
I especially enjoyed the flying, the air acrobats. They were amazing. I did not know that you could do acrobatics in a helicopter. That was amazing.
Lucky enough to be able to fly with the U.S. Army's Golden Knights parachute team, and it was incredible. Let's take a look from the skies.
That's how they did yesterday. I think that worked okay.
vertical takeoff was probably my favorite. I mean, going 50 feet off the ground, 500 miles an hour, and then going straight up was a lot of fun.
Tip City Police Officer Jordan Little is this year's CenterPoint Energy Dayton Air Show presented by Kroger, Hometown Hero.
Got a call for a gentleman in town that was not breathing. Went there, performed CPR, ended up assisting, saving that man's life.
Every day is a gift, and he is a gift to me and what he did.
Justin Trevino stood on the ground watching Officer Little soar above him just 1 year after he went into cardiac arrest when Officer Little came to his rescue.
I think that people that do awesome things should get their rewards, and my gosh, for a reward, this is cool.
I think where we came from last year to now, it's just kind of wild to think about.
Thank God my wife was there and Officer Little and the other first responders, man, or I wouldn't be talking to you today.
Up in the air today on the Goodyear Blimp, which will be on display all weekend at the big event.
So actually where they're planning on putting us at the air show on the grounds over there is really small for us.
Yeah, this is the first time in over 20 years for sure that we've been to the Dayton Air Show, so we're super excited about it. It's one of the more notable military aviation shows in the country, so for us to be able to come down and participate with all the other static displays on the ground and the aerial demonstrations, we're super excited about it.
This is where flight began. The Wright brothers started it all. And so it's very historic flying here. And then we're flying World War II aircraft, and we're doing it at the best air show in the nation.
I got a first-hand look at how they pull this off. First, I got a flight briefing. Then I was buckled in, and after rolling out from the taxiway, we powered up and headed into the clouds. I wasn't the first flight of the day. Today, a 99-year-old World War II veteran also got an unforgettable chance to soar in this biplane. Fisher says these flights leave a noticeable impact on the veterans who participate.
His ability to do that, I can tell you, it puts a spring in his step, and it just universally, it puts smiles on people's faces, and it takes them back in age.